Welcome to TutorBright Thornhill, your partner in academic success. At TutorBright Thornhill, we understand that every student is unique. That's why we offer personalized one-on-one online tutoring mentorship, working closely with parents and their children to understand their unique needs and targeting goals. We work with you to create customized programs just for your child. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Fill out a quick form and our student success specialists will be in touch. They'll collaborate with you to understand your child's academic requirements, personality type, and overall goals. Step 2. We'll find the perfect tutor mentor for your child, dedicated to providing top-notch one-on-one mentorship. Step 3. Your child will meet their tutor mentor on our secure online platform, making learning interactive and enjoyable. We offer unparalleled customer support here at TutorBright Thornhill, ensuring your satisfaction and positive progress. Let us make your life easier by helping with your child's academics. Reach out today to start this journey with TutorBright Thornhill.